The praying mantis, an enigmatic insect, holds captivating secrets. With their remarkable camouflage and triangular heads, they blend seamlessly into their surroundings, becoming stealthy hunters. These patient predators possess front legs that are adapted for grasping prey with incredible precision. In a surprising twist, female mantises are known to consume their partners after mating. Additionally, for their size, mantises are incredibly strong insects, capable of capturing and subduing prey larger than themselves. The praying mantis embodies nature's extraordinary adaptations and fascinating strength, and that's why